Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So sitting here, I have the prettiest gift box I have seen in a while sitting on my desk right now from MelodySusie, and I am just so excited to show you everything inside because the packaging alone is impressive. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So these are the Fleurwee Gel. Oh my gosh, say that 10 times, okay? So these are the new plant-based polishes from MelodySusie, and in this package you will get 4 gel polishes, a nail brush set, and a vase where you can put flowers in and leave it sitting on your nail desk or in your house somewhere. It's really up to you, but it's really cute that they included that as well. Okay, I was impressed by the gift box packaging, but when I opened it up and seeing these bottles, I was gasping. When I tell you, these bottles are bougie and they are meant to be displayed, not stored away, hidden. They want you to see these. But most importantly, I love when brands put thought, love, and care into their rollouts. And these are plant-based polishes and they went all the way with the vibes. From the packaging to the formula, it's just like bravo, MelodySusie, bravo. Even their social media marketing for this campaign, I was like, oh, y'all came through. Okay, I see you. And I love it. So bravo, hats off to MelodySusie for this. So there are some more things in here on the underside of this packaging, but let's follow directions. It says to remove the bottles first, so that's what we did. And now we're gonna see what's under here. So here we have the brush set. We also have some dried flowers to put in the vase, and then some nail art stickers that are floral themed, of course. So we're gonna take a look at everything up close, but first things first, we're gonna take these dried flowers out and put them in the vase so I can show you what it looks like. It's too cute. MelodySusie does have 3 different color options for the gift box, and the one I have is called Urban Chic. So we are going to look at the polishes. First up, we have a black. Next, we have a pink shade that actually has gold glitter in it. Next, we have a white. And last but not least, we have a deep red. Polishes aside, we're going to take a look at the brushes now. And then last but not least, we do have those nail art stickers. So there are 2 different sheets. The first one has daisies on it, and the second one has different flowers with some golden frames. So you can use these for your next nail look as well. So that's it for the unboxing. We're gonna jump right into the nail tutorial. I need to pop off my last set, and because I use the Jello peel off base coat, I am going to take the 1 kill remover and place it all over the cuticle area. So once I have that all applied, I am gonna let it sit for about 5 to 6 minutes so that it has a chance to work. Then I'm taking a cuticle stick and looking for a gap around the edges of the nail. Typically, I always find it on like the sides. And then once I'm able to get a good gap going, I move the cuticle stick around gently and see if I can move it and pop it off. If I can't pop it off, but I'm able to find a gap, I will add additional solution, but this time I didn't need it and it came right on off with no damage done to my natural nails. So now my old set is gone. I'm going to clean off my nails with some 91% alcohol. And apply the Jello peel off base coat again. but I am only going to place it in the center of the nail, not going all the way to the sides, because I noticed when I use this and I go all the way to the sides, the removal takes longer and it's also harder. So try to keep it in the center of the nail to make your life easier. I'm gonna let this cure in my lamp for 60 seconds, and then y'all are gonna be shook because guess what? We're not doing a stiletto nail look. We're doing medium coffin. I have read your comments. I've seen the request for different shapes and lengths. I hear you. Doing my best to step out of the chokehold that stiletto nails have on me, and I'm going to be switching it up. To put these on, I will be using the Opera Extend Gel, and because these tips are pre-etched, I don't need to use Gel X Prep or go in with my e-file to create texture on the bottom half. So I'm just gonna go right in, put these on, and then flash cure for about 15 seconds with my desk lamp. After I have my tips all applied, I am gonna cure in a bigger lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of shaping and filing. To seal the cuticles, I will be using acetone and a flat brush, and when you're doing this, you only want to use a small amount of acetone because if you use too much, it can potentially cause lifting, and we definitely don't want that, especially when we just put these extensions on. This is a no drill needed video, so I'm going to go in with some base coat today. I'm applying a thin layer of this, and then I'm going to cure in a bigger lamp. So when I first saw this gift box, the pink color called my name loudly, so I based the entire look off of this because I really wanted to try it. On first glance, it looks like it would be a very opaque pink, but it's not. I would actually consider this to be a sheer pink, and it also has gold glitter in it, but the particles are very tiny, so it's quite subtle. When I zoom in, you'll be able to see it even better because in these clips, you can barely see it. That's how subtle it is. When I said MelodySusie put thought and care in this in the beginning, I meant it. The florals are present in the packaging, in the formula, even down to the scent. It smells like flowers, but if you are sensitive to smells, don't let that scare you away because it's not strong at all. It's actually quite faint, light, and airy. Usually when I do sheer colors, I like to do 3 coats, but with this one, I only needed 2 coats to get the coverage I wanted. The polish glides on like a dream, and I was able to build up the color with thin, light coats. Next, I'm going to be taking some foil glue and applying a thin layer of this on top of the pink. And then I'm going to cure in my big lamp for 2 minutes. I know typically we only do 60-second cures, but the instruction says 2 minutes, so we're going to actually follow instructions. This is truly a beginner-friendly nail art tutorial, so we'll be using nail foils instead of sitting here and drawing out some flowers. Anytime you buy nail foils, they come in a long roll, and so you want to cut them into smaller pieces, making sure it fully fits the width of your nail. And that means turning your nail to the side and ensuring it fits from sidewall to sidewall. This glue is so sticky, so do not put the foil by your nail until you are sure you're ready to apply it. So you want to line up the edge of the foil with the side of your nail, lay it down really slow, and then you're going to apply pressure. Do y'all remember when we were kids and they had those tattoos you would rub on your skin? Ooh, was that an era and a time? But anyway, it's the same concept. You want to put them on nice and slow and apply a lot of pressure on them once you get on the nail so we can make sure the design fully transfers. I'm actually going to go in with a silicone tool just so I can add additional pressure. I really want to make sure that that design is on the nail so it transfers without skipping or breaking apart. And once I'm ready, I'm going to gently pull these off of the nail nice and slow. Not too fast, not too rough, just pull it nice and slow. And I like to start either at the bottom or the top, wherever there's like a raised edge for me to grab onto. While that foil glue is still sticky, I'm going to go in with some gold leaf and just sporadically place it on the nail. And I'm only using very small pieces because I don't want the gold leaf to be the center of attention. I want those floral patterns to be the center, but I do want it to accent the flowers on the nail. To apply the gold leaf, I am breaking it up into really small pieces. And then I'm going to rub it in with that same silicone tool I just used to apply the nail foils. Some of the nails were no longer sticky, and that's fine. I just took the Madame Glam base coat again, applied it, and then put the gold leaf on top of that wet base coat. Since I did apply base coat, I am going to cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds. To wrap things up, I'm going to be applying a top coat to seal the design and the gold leaf in and do my final cure. And here are what the nails look like all done. So I hope you enjoyed this beginner friendly nail art tutorial. It's so nice to get flowers on the nail without having to draw them. Just throw those foils on and go. All the products I use in this video are going to be linked in the description box down below. And I also have a discount code in case you want to check out those Fleurwee gels. But if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about me using Coffin instead of stiletto in the comments down below. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you do so on your way out. But in the meantime, I will see you in one of these videos here.